Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Topvork 6-port desktop charger, and as you can see it arrived to me in a pretty battered shape, the box. So I guess everybody experienced similar things with delivery companies not really paying attention at the products they're delivering. And unfortunately this is a pretty common occurrence, but hopefully the device inside is in a good shape when we open it. But first let's analyze the box and see what we can learn from looking at it. So on the top side we just see the Topvork logo and nothing else. Let's have a look at the sides and see if we have any other information, and here we can see that this is a black product and that they also have a white version of it, and nothing else on the sides. But on the back side we can see the following information. So right at the top left hand side we can see the product name and then some specifications regarding the power that it can produce of up to 60 watts, the input power that it requires, and other details regarding charging. So the main three elements that we're going to find in the box are the charger itself, the charging cable, and the user guide. So those are the three elements that we expect to find in the box. And then at the bottom side we have some more manufacturer information. So without further ado, let's open the box and have a look at the product inside. So first off, this is the charging cable. It's actually a pretty long one, so you can easily charge your devices with the charger on your desktop while it's being charged from a wall socket. So this is a very generous length of cable. If I'm not mistaken, it's 6 feet. So it's pretty long, and it has an AC plug on this other end, and on this other end it's a plug that goes into the socket on the device itself. Let's put it aside for now and see what else we can find. Let's put it aside and see what else is in the box, and as expected we have the owner's manual, which is pretty short, but it has all the information you need to get it started with this product. So let's look closer at the product itself. We can see the Topvork logo on the front side, and here on the side we can see all the ports. They all are USB type A ports, 6 ports in total. You can see it has Q+ technology, and they are able to charge up to 5 volts. And we can see an LED light here, which most likely will light up when it's being used. And on this other side we can see the socket where the charging cable will be plugged in. On the back side of the product we have some information regarding the charging requirements and output of the product, same ones that we saw on the box. So there we go, this was the unboxing of the Topvork 6-port desktop charger. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my future videos. Goodbye.